वो कहते हैं ना, घर घर होता है। सही कहते हैं। आज 24 साल हम घर से बाहर हैं। बैंगलोर, मेलबर्न, लंदन, रियो, पेरिस, हैदराबाद और ना जाने कितने शहरों में हम रहे। कहीं पे मकान किराए पे लिए हुए, कहीं पे खरीदे, पर घर नहीं कह पाए। आज भी घर का मतलब वो ट्रैम लाइन वाली सड़कें, वो हाथ से खींचे जाने वाले रिक्शे, वो दुर्गा माँ की पैंडल में सजी हुई गलियां, वो मैदान की मीठी हवा, वो गंगा पे खुली आसमान की परछाइयां, वो ऑफिस आने जाने वाले की भीड़ में संघर्ष करती हुई पुरानी मेट्रो के डिब्बे, वो पीली रंग में जंग लगी हुई बिना एसी वाले टैक्सी की किश्तें। आज भी घर का मतलब कलकत्ता नहीं, कोलकाता नहीं, कलकत्ता। तो चलिए घर चलते हैं, कलकत्ता चलते हैं। On the 5th of May, we started our journey towards Kolkata. This was no straight way home. We had to first stop over at Bangalore for some personal work and then thought of breaking our journey via Chennai Mahabalipuram to make a small vacation out of a couple of days of detour. We started for Kolkata on the 12th of May from Chennai to Vizag first, and then post a day's break at Vizag, we started for Kolkata from Vizag on the 14th of May. With a plan to cover the approximately 900 kilometers in 15 hours. So let's start off on this epic road trip from Vizag to Kolkata, a place we still call home.
Welcome to the Bong Wanderers channel. Today is 14th May and we are off to Kolkata, our final destination of Summer Chronicles. We have started from Vizag at 5:50. Just few minutes since we have started. Every time we give you glimpses of how Hyderabad morning looks like. Today we are going to give you glimpses of another city, Vizag, as we make an exit from the city. It's a Tuesday morning at Vizag. Still not 6. Some morning enthusiasts. Otherwise, the roads are pretty deserted. This is something we truly enjoy, when we leave a city and we see glimpses of how the city is waking up to the day is really enchanting. Different cities have different stories to say. We saw a very busy road in Chennai. Same time, we were leaving Chennai at the same time. At that time, the roads were bursting with people, vendors. office goers, but a very different sight at Vizag. Looks like the city wakes up a little late. That's the Kailashagiri hill. If you are interested what to do at Vizag, don't miss our vlog on in and around Vizag, because you would get to see a lot of interesting things we have done while we were at Vizag yesterday. Here is a view of the mighty Bay of Bengal. I think this is the last destination where we will be saying adieu to the mighty sea, because now we are heading to a metro city. Today as well we will be covering dawn and dusk as well. So right now it's Surya Namaskar time. Sun is up on the horizon. A beautiful sight. Today we are covering a distance of 872 kilometers from door to door, that is from our hotel at Vizag to the hotel at Kolkata, and the total expected duration of this journey is 16 hours 30 minutes. So we started at around 5:50. By the time we are expected to reach Kolkata, it should be around 10:30. It's 7:10 now. We covered 100 kilometers. Just crossed Srikakulam.
Yes.
Crossed Srikakulam. So another 770 kilometers to go. So we'll stop by in some time now to have tea, because all of us are feeling a little bit sleepy. So we need fuel in the form of food. Okay, spotted a huge Hanumanji statue. Huge one. Jai Hanumanji. Huge one. Huge one.
তুই চিরদিন তোর দরজা খুলে থাকিস, অবাধ আনাগোনার হিসেব কেন রাখিস? সাক্ষাৎ আলাদিন তোর প্রদীপ ভরা জিনে কেন খুঁজতে যাস আমায় সাজানো ম্যাগাজিনে?
Okay, just after you cross Tekkali, a place called Tekkali, you will see this petrol pump. It's an Indian oil petrol pump, right? It's an Indian oil petrol pump where you can use their washrooms. They are clean washrooms. Yeah, that's a quick update. Now, in terms of the places where you can have your breakfast, I mean, we haven't found any. We were carrying breakfast from our property, so we had breakfast on the way. We stopped for 30 minutes and we had breakfast. It's 9:05 now, and we just covered 200 kilometers on the road. We just crossed Palasa and driving towards Ichapuram, which is our next milestone. So 570 kilometers more to Kolkata. So road conditions are okay till now. Let's see how it goes. I mean, hope it stays that way. Let's see how it goes. But let me tell you guys that could not spot a decent place where you can take your food break up until now. There are some small tea shops where you can stop by and have tea. I hope you are enjoying the sight of grazing cattle on the green pastures of land as far as your eyes go. So yeah, what I was saying is we couldn't spot a decent place where you can stop by and have food. So if you are for Kolkata from Vizag early morning, it's best you pack your food or have your food and then start. I mean, at least the breakfast part, because I mean, it's like 3 hours on the road. Nothing, nada. On our way to Ichapuram, and cannot miss the most anticipated sight on the road that everyone who goes by this road wants to see or waits to see. You must be wondering what I am talking about, but the moment you get to see that, you will understand what I am talking about. So let me show it to you.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला
Okay, we just crossed and entered Orissa. We just crossed the border and entered Orissa. We are officially in Orissa now.
Gopalpur Sea Beach.
Gopalpur Sea Beach is 32 kilometers from here. Okay, we are pulling over at a place called Montelicious. Montelicious. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा पापा?
Closed.
सब कुछ closed है. U-turn. Let's go. Right after you enter Orissa, when you cross Ichapuram and you cross over the border and you enter Orissa, you would get a Geo petrol pump, and in that Geo petrol pump you would get an outlet kind of a thing, an eatery, which goes by the name Wild Beans.
Wild Beans Coffee.
Wild Beans Coffee.
It's basically a outlet that sells everything, and it also has a coffee shop.
Coffee shop.
The coffee shop is called Wild Beans.
Yeah, we didn't go inside, but because we were on the move.
And it looked like the washrooms are clean.
Yeah, but you can check out that place. I mean, that's the first place in this entire stretch that we found decent enough for you to sit down and have food and take breaks. So just passing on information. Okay, pretty busy crossing. We are passing through a place called Ganjam.
Everyone is riding their scooty like that, riding their Harley Davidsons here.
And that's a problem we have been noticing since Vizag.
No, but Odisha there's a lot of problem with two-wheelers.
What kind of problem?
Very irrelevant riders. See,
Irresponsible, you mean?
Irresponsible. Texting while riding on NH16.
And that's the problem, right? I think to them it is not an NH16, it is probably Nukkar Gali.
So it'll take a lot of time to cross Odisha.
But that's when we are driving through the city road, right? I mean, when NH16
What do you mean the city road? This Putti Ganjam is a city road.
No, I mean town or something. I mean, whenever we are crossing a town or a city, small city, that's when we are going to face this trouble. The moment you enter Odisha,
Odisha.
the stretch of NH16 that cuts through this state is no longer a national highway. It becomes a gully, nukkad for the people over here. And the sight, the most common sight throughout this stretch is, a series of bikers. I mean, I shouldn't say bikers, two-wheelers. And the way people are riding their two-wheelers as if they are riding their two-wheelers in their gully nukkad, completely relaxing over phone, texting, and some are even stretching on their two-wheelers, and they're driving their two-wheelers right in the middle of the national highway when there are speeding vehicles, and no matter how much ever you honk, it doesn't matter to them. They are going to maintain their same track. Now the reason I'm ranting about it is because this is going to slow you down on this stretch. So keep that in your mind when you are planning your trip or planning your pit stops and at what time you are going to cross this place. Our recommendation would be try to cross this place early in the morning, like how we are doing, so that whatever slows you down on this road, you would still have the longer stretch of the road in daylight after you cross this place. See, this is what I'm talking about. There is someone coming from the opposite side, and then you can see series of two-wheelers. Series, I mean, these are less. There would be more. Like at a stretch, you can see like 10-15 of them. People are coming from opposite side, and then people are riding in the middle of the road. And car honks don't matter to them. They turn a deaf ear to your car honks. See, cyclists as well. And of course, none of them wearing their helmets. I mean, don't even expect that. We are crossing Rushi Kulya River. It's a beautiful and a soothing sight. Finally, some water on the river. I think that's a train bridge on the other side that you can see. That's a Rajdhani, I guess.
Rajdhani.
It's 10:30 now, and we have covered 300 kilometers. We are on the road for 4.5 hours now. Our next milestone is Bhubaneswar, where we are planning to also grab lunch. We are not carrying lunch this time. Usually when we travel from a property or from a hotel, we pack our breakfast, lunch, everything, because usually we start after 9 or after 8, where we can have our breakfast and pack our food. That's also because we don't cover a distance of 870 kilometers every day, right? We usually cover 400, 500, and that's why we start up by 8 or 9. But this time, since we are starting at 5:36, we didn't want to carry any food because it can be spoiled, right? That's why the only thing, the road is very bumpy. The only thing we were carrying was idli, because it was freshly made and we had it. Now we have to find out a place to have lunch. 572 kilometers more to go. After you cross Brahmapur, the road condition actually is not good. You can see over here. So there are patchworks, big dents, so be very careful. The road is not good, and please be careful when you are driving on this part of the road.
Yes, Elephant Crossing, Rambha Wildlife Range, Chilika Division.
Here you're going to stop. Okay, we are pulling over for a couple of minutes here to enjoy the view.
So this is Durga Mata Mandir that I thought of stopping by on the first time we were going to Calcutta. We couldn't for some reason, and we stopped a little ahead. But this time, because I knew the place, now I could stop. So offered our prayers, and now we move on. On your straight right, you will see Chilka Lake.
Not sure if you can see a train crossing Chilka.
Is it? Oh wow, beautiful. It's beautiful.
The largest brackish water lake of India and the second largest coastal lagoon in Asia. This is our pride. the beautiful Chilka Lake in front of you guys. It's also it has also been listed as a tentative UNESCO heritage site. Okay, our heart wants to stop here for hours, but our brain says that we have to move on as we have to cover 570 plus kilometers ahead because our destination is Kolkata today. So we move on, and the moments and memories are things that we will carry with us.
Hey Rangavati, Rangavati, ho Rangavati, 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 kana kalata, hasi pade kahol katha. Hey Rangavati, Rangavati, kana kalata, hasi pade kahol katha. Kolaje laje, laje laje, hoy kolaje laje, laje laje, hoy kolaje laje, laje laje, laje laje loi jauchi matha go, nai karo tha. Hey laje laje loi jauchi matha go, nai karo tha. Hey ranga, hey ranga.
Finally, some beautiful views and better roads in Orissa. It's 12 in the watch, and we have covered 400 kilometers on the road for 6 hours now. Another 472 to go. What is the name of the place? This
We are
place?
crossing Khurda now. Khurda.
Khurda. We are crossing Khurda road. Okay. So next milestone continues to be Bhubaneswar, which is 25 kilometers away. We are planning to have our lunch there. Hopefully we will be able to find out something decent. Let's see.
Pizza Hut is there. See.
So we are in Bhubaneswar, scouting for a place
Pizza Hut is there.
to have our lunch. Super hungry, but you have lots of places over here. You can choose the kind of food you want to have, and accordingly you can have your lunch at a suitable place. So we found a gem in Bhubaneswar on the road. This restaurant goes by the name The Living Room. It is part of the Presidency Hotel. You will get to see the location on your screen. Beautiful ambience, very neat, clean. I mean, it's a very nice restaurant, very nice dining place. Absolutely super clean washrooms. Quick service. We ordered sandwich and khichdi. Sandwich for me and my little one, and khichdi for Samrat, and we got it like in snap of a finger. In like 10 to 15 minutes our food was delivered. Giving you a quick view of the interiors of the dining place. That's our table. Subtle music on the background. Very happy. And we are back on the road. It's what's the time now?
13.
It's 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's 1 p.m. We took 45 minutes of lunch break. Okay. On your screen, glimpses of Bhubaneswar. We are obviously driving through the outskirts of the city. A busy city. On one side you can see the urban area, and on the other side you can see the people on the other side of the world. So yeah, story of every city. Okay, I think we are crossing Mahanadi. Not sure.
No, it is not Mahanadi. It is one of the tributaries of Mahanadi. It is not Mahanadi.
Okay.
Mahanadi is only much more bigger. No, I'm sorry. I'm wrong. It's not showing up here. Oh, Subarnarekha something might.
We'll find out, but it's beautiful. Crossing Mahanadi.
The mighty Mahanadi.
Yeah. Thankfully, it still has waters.
Another
It's
a
not-
train passing through.
And
Other
a
side.
train passing through, yeah. I think today is a day of trains for us. Crossing river Subarnarekha. It's 2:07 now, and we have covered 500 kilometers. We are at Badabati now. 500 kilometers done. 372 more to go. Look at the sky and the paddy fields below the sky. Cattle grazing. I think it's going to rain anytime, but just enjoy the view. Stopped our car for few minutes for the little ones, both furry baby and human baby, and enjoying the countryside breeze. It's wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Rainfall on paddy fields.
Rainfall and windstorm.
It started raining. So as you can see, the visibility has reduced a lot. Right now there is a truck ahead of us, so you can at least see the truck. But just before that, barely see anything. I just hope the rain stops. Oh my god, I don't want this kind of a rainfall on a highway. City rain is okay, not on a highway, please God. So just few minutes back, I was talking about the lovely weather and drive by the countryside on a cloudy day, and then it started raining cats and dogs. Visibility was completely reduced. I mean, reduced to near zero types. And then I had the most scariest moment of my life on road. We were just behind a truck, and then I think the truck splashed water on our windscreen, and we just couldn't see something for a few seconds. I don't know, he was probably calm. I don't know what happened, what was going on. My heart was in my mouth. Another diversion. So once you cross Cuttack, you would see a couple of diversions on NH16. I think 2 years back when we went to Kolkata, there were probably a lot more. Right from, I think, from Vizag itself. The number of diversions have surely reduced, but it's still there. It's still there, the diversions are there, and the roads are very bad. And that's going to significantly slow you down on this stretch. Okay, diversion number 5 probably, or 6. Post Bhadrak, I think there is a series of diversion. First, the rain slowed down. Now the diversions. Diversion number 7. Okay, seeking Hanumanji's blessing. Very, very important. Then you have to brave these kind of diversions, weather and a long distance. Just look at the road. Pathetic with a big P. It's 3:50 now, and we have covered 600 kilometers. until now. Another 272 to go to reach Kolkata, which means another 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours approximately. This is the 11th diversion. One more thing wanted to share with you. After you cross Cuttack, apart from the n number of diversions
Not
that
Cuttack, not Cuttack. Bhadra.
Bhadra,
After Bhadra.
yeah, apart from the n number of diversions which would welcome you with open arms, please also note that you wouldn't get a single decent tea shop or a coffee shop to recharge and rejuvenate. So if you have option, carry a flask and carry tea in that. Otherwise, you have to wait. I don't know when will we get to see a decent place. Once we get to see, we'll let you know. But right now, we seriously badly need a chai break to rejuvenate us. It just saved a pooch. Should we try this? Hotel Golden Plaza. Is it open? No. Half the hotels or tea joints and coffee joints are closed on this stretch of road. Not sure why. Samrat is saying it's because of election day, but today there wasn't any election. I don't know. Half the shops are closed. It's 4-7. I mean, even if they have gone for an afternoon nap, they should have been back by now. By day, I mean the shopkeepers and Gaumata with her children crossing the road. Okay, so chai hunt continues. So somewhere near Balasore, we have pulled over for Angel's necessary break, and this one is pretty much annoyed seeing Angel. I don't know if it's a he or a she. It's pretty much annoyed. It's like, back off. This is my area. You back off. Angel, you've annoyed the local dog. Huh? Angel? You want to bark back? You want to tell her that you are not here to annoy her or take her place? Huh? Did you communicate that to her? Which bridge is this?
This will be Suvarnareka. Suvarnareka, we are entering West Bengal.
Kolkata is 14 kilometer.
Welcome to West Bengal Daton Police Station.
Daton.
So we are crossing over to a last state in this whatever Escape Chronicles, whatever you say. That's West Bengal. So we started from Telangana, we went to Karnataka, then we went to Tamil Nadu, then we went to, after Tamil Nadu we went to AP. From AP we went to Odisha. After Odisha, this is West Bengal.
ধন্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশ এক, সকল দেশের সেরা। ও সে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ, স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা।
We saw the sunrise and now the sunset. The sunrise, we saw sunrise at Vizag and sunset at Kolkata.
Not Kolkata, West Bengal.
West
Kolkata
Bengal.
is still about 185 kilometers away.
Yeah. So at West Bengal, two different states, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal, and that's the beauty of traveling. and you literally you spend the whole day on the road and followed the sun. So that's the beauty. It's close to 6 p.m. now. We have covered 700 kilometers. As of now, we have been on the road for 12 hours, a little more than 12 hours, like 12 hours 10 minutes. And if we include the breaks, then maybe we are literally on the move for like 10 and a half hours. 10 hours, 10 and a half hours. So it took us 10 and a half hours to cover 700 kilometers. Another 172 kilometers to go before we reach our destination. Once we entered West Bengal, I think the road after it's a little bumpy, but it's still better. The road after Datun is still better than what we experienced in Odisha after Cuttack. Though it is not as great as we have experienced in AP, but better than what we saw in Odisha. Look at the sun. I don't know if you are able to. The sky is vermilion and so is the sun, but unable to capture the view of so many trees, houses interrupting the view. It's lovely, guys.
So the one that we saw in AP, right, the runway for flights to land in case of emergency, this is a similar thing that they have made, and you can see the markings here, 03. So this is the start of the runway, so they can land from here, and you would see the airstrips made here in between, right? So this is the place where flights can land in case of emergency. It's a new thing that they have made in West Bengal.
Yeah.
And quite big actually.
Quite
Food court
big.
is there.
Yeah. Once you
Okay.
cross the Rampura toll plaza, you would get some options to have food. There is a Urban Dhaba, there is a Annapurna food court in. So quite a lot of options. Decent options. Okay, it's 7 o'clock in the evening. We stopped at a place called Rio Dhaba for another cup of tea, because when someone is driving for long duration, chai to banti hai. That is the name written in Bengali. Really feels nice, you know, when you stay outside your hometown and you come back after years and you see things written in Bengali. It gives a nice feeling. And then everywhere you can speak in your mother tongue with people. Otherwise, we're used to speaking in Hindi or English. Not that we are complaining, but it's just that it's a nice feeling to come home after years. It's just that because of some reason and renovations going on, we are staying in the hotel this time. Okay. There is the driver of Bong Wanderers. No, but you know, our champion driver, because touch wood, he has been driving crazily today. And here comes our tree. The champion driver drive भी करता है, चाय भी लेके आता है. Thank you भैया for the tea. Alright, so it's 7:30 now and we have covered 800 kilometers. Another 76 kilometer to cover to reach our destination. The exhaustion is slowly picking up a bit, and also we are hungry. We usually travel with a very light tummy. We eat very light on the road. Anyways, but still another 76 kilometers to cover. So the last leg of our road trip continues. Nothing much to show you at this point because
We'll cross Kolaghat bridge in just a while. Then you can show.
yeah. Otherwise, it's just the main road, the highway, NH16, and then trucks on either side of the road. But of course, if we get to know anything about the road or the area, we would let you know. Nothing much to show. Let's show you directly the Kolaghat bridge. We are getting up on the Kolaghat bridge on Roop Narayan River. Roop Narayan Nadi. मत करो इतनी मस्ती, जिंदगी नहीं है सस्ती. Safe drive,
Save life.
save life.
Financed by Transport Department, Government of West Bengal.
क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. Okay, we are officially in Kolkata.
Entering Kolkata.
Entering Kolkata.
We are still in Howrah. Once we cross that bridge, we will be in Kolkata.
What bridge? The second Hooghly Bridge. Over Ma Ganga. Unfortunately, we don't know why the lights are not on.
And that's the 42, tallest building in Calcutta.
Yeah, that's quite far away from here.
On the other side of the Ganges. Hooghly.
Yeah.
For the first time I'm seeing that the lights are off.
Same here.
दिल का बाजार है, थोड़ा पिसार है, कोलकाता ख्वाहिशों अरमानों का अचार है, जितने भी दूर जाओ दिल से ना पार है, कोलकाता देखो तो बाकी दुनिया बेकार.
All right, it is 9:40 and we have finally reached our destination. It's been a 16 hours of journey today from Vizag, from the park Vizag to our place of stay in Kolkata today. We haven't taken much of breaks that we usually take, thank God for that. But I think we would have reached at least an hour before had it not been huge traffic for the last 1.5 hour, which is kind of expected. Anyways, finally we are here. Thank you for staying with us till the end of the vlog. Hope this information that we shared through our journey helped you. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep traveling incredible India. Travel by road, travel with your pet. Until our next vlog, take care guys, stay safe, bye bye from Bong Wanderers. Good night.
এখন আমার হঠাৎ করে পড়লো মনে একবার হারিয়ে গেছি তেঁতুল বনে গোলাপি কাঠের ছুরি চাঁদের মালা তখনও তোমার আমার হয়নি আলাপ তখনও তো তোমার আমার হয়নি আলাপ তখনও তো তোমার সাথে হয়নি আলাপ তখনও তো তোমার আমার হয়নি আলাপ তখনও তো তোমার সাথে হয়নি আলাপ তখনই মেলাচ্ছি তাল তারা লা 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 আলা লা 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 লা